Are you struggling with labor shortages, growing customer demands, and the pressure to do more with less? You're not alone. But what if there was a way to turn these challenges into competitive advantages? That's where ISD, Integrated Systems Design, comes in. What makes ISD different? We utilize the optimal ops process and develop a true partnership. We don't confine ourselves to a single brand or technology. Instead, we follow our 8-step process and make recommendations tailored to your specific organizational needs. From go live, return on investment to training and future growth requirements, ISD is with you every step of the way. ISD specializes in warehouse, distribution center, manufacturing, and assembly automation that's designed specifically for your operation. We don't offer canned solutions. Instead, our engineers take the time to understand your unique operational requirements, customer expectations, and growth opportunities. We then identify where automation and process improvements can make the greatest impact for your exact requirements. Ready to solve your labor challenges, boost productivity, and build for the future? Email, call, or complete our online form to learn how we can help transform your operations into a profit center. Let's realize your operation's full potential. Together, it all starts with your free consultation.